Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Robzen, where learning English feels easy, fun, and full of real-life moments.
Hello, lovely people. I'm Rem, and today's topic is something we all use every single day: social media.
That's right. Today, our topic is English for social media. Chat, comment, and post naturally.
Wow, this one's going to be exciting. Because honestly, we all post, comment, and scroll for hours, but not everyone knows how to sound natural in English online.
Exactly. Some people feel shy or think, what if my English sounds strange? But don't worry. After this episode, you'll sound confident and friendly like a pro.
Let's go! So, Robin, imagine you just saw your friend's new selfie. What would you comment?
Instead of just saying, nice pic, I'd write something like, you look amazing. That smile says it all.
Oh, that sounds warm and natural. It shows you really noticed something.
Exactly. Nice pic is okay, but it's too basic. Add feeling. For example, wow, you look so happy there. Or, that background is beautiful.
Yes, comments with emotion always feel more real. Like if my friend posts a food photo, I'd say, that looks so tasty. I'm jealous.
Ha ha, I'd reply. Come join me next time.
See? It becomes an actual conversation, not just random emojis.
Speaking of emojis, they're fun, but don't only use them. Try mixing them with words.
Like, ha, ha, that made me laugh so hard, instead of just,
Perfect. Words plus emojis equals friendly and human.
okay, Robin, now let's talk about posting. Sometimes people want to post in English, but they're scared they'll make mistakes.
True. But don't let fear stop you. Just write how you feel. Simple English is powerful.
Yeah, like if you're posting a sunset photo, you could write, this view makes my heart calm.
That's beautiful. Or if you post with friends, say, nothing better than time with my favorite people.
Oh, I love that one.
And if you're having a lazy Sunday, post something like, just chilling and enjoying some peace today.
I can already imagine the comments saying, same here, or that's the best kind of day.
Exactly. It creates connection.
Let's do a fun role play.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll pretend I posted something on Instagram. Caption, finally went hiking after months. My legs are tired, but my heart is happy.
Love it. I'll comment. That's awesome, Rem. You look so full of energy. Where did you go?
Ha ha, thank you. I went to Tiger Hill. It was magical.
Wow. I've always wanted to go there. Was it crowded?
A bit, but the sunrise was totally worth it.
That's exactly how real conversations happen online. Genuine, emotional, natural. Now let's talk about chatting. Many people just start with, hi, and then silence.
Haha, yes, don't just say hi. Try something like, hey, how's your day going? Or, hi, I saw your story. That place looked fun.
Yes, it feels friendly and starts a real talk.
You can also react to someone's post with interest. That's cool. Tell me more about it.
Or if you haven't talked in a while, hey, long time no chat. How have you been?
Simple, warm, human. That's the key.
Let's teach a few reaction phrases people can use while chatting or commenting.
Great idea. Here are some, wow, that's amazing. Really? I didn't know that. That's so cool. Oh no, what happened? That's funny.
Nice. And for showing emotion, I'm so happy for you. That's unbelievable. Good for you. Ah, that must feel great.
See? These small expressions make your chat come alive. Now, Robin, what about polite language online?
Oh yes, that's important. When you reply to comments, use kindness. For example, thank you so much. That's so kind of you. Glad you liked it.
I always try to reply with heart, like, "Oh, you're so sweet. Thanks for your comment."
That's lovely. It spreads positive energy online. Let's share a few easy tips for posting naturally in English.
Okay, tip 1. Keep it short and real. Don't try to sound too perfect.
Right. Instead of, I am extremely delighted to announce this moment, just say, I'm so happy to share this.
Tip 2. Be yourself. Your real emotion is your power.
Exactly. If you're excited, say it, like, can't stop smiling today.
Tip 3. Don't worry about small grammar mistakes. It's better to write from the heart than not write at all.
Totally agree. The more you practice, the more confident you'll get.
Okay, Robin, let's do a mini practice round. You give me a situation and I'll comment in natural English.
Deal! Situation 1. Your friend posts a photo of a delicious pizza.
Oh my gosh, that looks mouth-watering. Save me a slice.
Haha, good one! Situation 2. A friend posts a gym selfie.
You're killing it. Keep up the hard work.
Awesome. Situation 3. A friend shares a picture of their new pet.
Aw, so cute. What's their name?
Perfect. See how much emotion that adds? That's what makes your English online feel human.
You know, Robin, I used to be scared to write in English online. I'd think, what if people laugh at my mistakes?
Oh, me too. But then I realized every post, every comment is practice. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Exactly. Now I feel proud when I comment in English because I know I'm improving each time.
And that's the message for all our listeners. Don't be afraid. Just express yourself, connect, and enjoy learning.
This episode really felt like a heart-to-heart talk, Robin.
Yeah, it did. And to everyone listening, you don't need perfect grammar to sound real. You just need to sound you.
So true. Social media is not about perfection, it's about connection.
Beautifully said. Rem.
Thank you.
So, friends, go ahead and try these phrases today. Write a post, leave a comment, or chat with someone in English with emotion and confidence.
And tell us in the comments how it felt. Did someone reply? Did it make your day? We'd love to hear your stories.
Keep practicing, keep shining, and keep speaking English with joy.
Because the more you use it, the more it becomes part of you.
Thanks for tuning in to Mr. English Robzen.
You guys are amazing. Never stop learning, never stop smiling.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.